Branch and Benign both focus on helping gig workers access financial tools, but approval speed depends on the information you provide and whether you meet each service's requirements. By the end, you'll know how Branch and Benign compare for gig workers, what affects approval time, and what to check before choosing either option. Branch is designed around workers who need financial services connected to their income and employment activity. Benign is also built for workers who want banking-style features and access to money management tools. If your main goal is getting approved quickly, the biggest factor is usually not just the app name. It is whether the platform can verify your identity, income information, and account details without delays. Branch users should focus on having accurate personal information and completing every verification step inside the app. Missing information can slow down the review process. Benign users should also complete their profile carefully and provide the required details when setting up the account. A complete application gives the service what it needs to make a decision. The approval experience can feel different because these apps may look at different types of information. One service may work better for someone with a clear income history, while another may fit someone who prefers a different banking setup. For gig workers, the best choice depends on how you earn money and what financial tools you actually need. Someone who drives for delivery apps, freelances, or works multiple gigs should compare how each platform handles income verification and account setup. Before applying, check the current requirements for Branch and Benign. Requirements can change, and approval decisions are based on your individual information. The key points are simple. Branch and Benign both serve workers who need flexible financial tools. Approval speed depends heavily on verification, and the fastest option is usually the one where your information is complete and easy to confirm. Your next step is to compare the setup process for both apps and choose the one that matches how you earn income. If this comparison helped you understand the difference, like the video and subscribe for more practical app comparisons.